Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the two easy method to install VS Code on Linux and any other distro, and currently I'm using the Ubuntu 2024 0.4 LTS. And so there are mainly two methods. So first one is very easy from the App Center. So let's get started. Okay, so for this I just open my App Center and search here for code, and you can see there is a code, and this one is the VS Code. So yeah, and just you need to click on install and type your admin password, and it's very easy way, you can see that. And for the another one you can install from the official website, so I will show that also. So yeah, quite fast. So it got installed, so I'll just click on open, and while opening it should open the VS Code. And yeah, you can also see it's from here also. Yeah, just for sure I will recheck that. Okay, yeah, it got installed. Okay, so so install from their official website, just clicking to VS Code download. Okay, and you can see that here Mac Linux, and okay, I will Debian Ubuntu, and yeah, just click on that and it's got downloaded. So just opening this file, and it's just ignore that message. Okay, and click on install and install, and you need to again type your admin password. I think I got okay. Wait. And yeah, it's started installing. So both methods are quite simple, so you need just click on the install. Okay, and it's installing. So yeah, already there, so just wait for a few minutes. Okay. And yeah, installed. Okay, so I'll just click here, and yeah, let's install it. Okay, and if you want to pin here in the below taskbar, so you just need to drag and drop here like this, that. And also if you need to remove, just click on that and just remove. Quite simple. Okay, yeah, so thank you.